This is where millions of soaps are made every day.
Welcome inside a large-scale soap factory. Soap production starts with raw materials.
Materials are moved quickly and safely. Each ingredient is carefully inspected.
Oils are stored in controlled tanks.
Chemicals are handled under strict safety rules. Purified water is prepared for mixing.
Oils are heated to the right temperature.
Precise measurement ensures consistent quality.
Now the mixing process begins.
This reaction creates soap.
This chemical reaction is called saponification.
Temperature is closely controlled. Computers manage the entire process.
Mixing continues until perfect balance.
Fragrances are added for scent. Colors give soap its final look. Everything blends into one smooth soap base. The soap moves to the next stage.
Soap is shaped into long blocks.
Perfect texture is achieved here.
Perfect texture is achieved here.
Cooling makes the soap solid. Soap slowly hardens.
Machines cut soap into bars.
Each bar has perfect shape.
Brand logos are pressed in.
Defective bars are removed.
Soap is fully set now.
Now soap is ready for packing.
Packaging begins at high speed.
Automatic wrappers work non-stop. Each soap is sealed hygienically. Product labels are printed. Every product is tracked.
คือนิดเถิดต่อทีกอบกอบทีทวีดองสอบบานนีครับรืบสีปันหน้าปรางของสอมซัมสุกปรกเผื่อนพ่องของศพนาง
Final quality checks are done.
Only approved soaps continue. Soaps are packed into boxes. Weight is verified automatically. Boxes are sealed securely. Boxes are stacked on pallets.
Products wait for delivery. Orders are processed digitally. Soaps are loaded for shipping.
Products head to markets. Soaps reach stores worldwide.
Customers choose their soap.
That's how soap is made, start to finish.
Support our channel, like, share, and subscribe for more amazing industrial journeys. Futuremade Industries,